It's moving again. It was supposed to be over here. Roar! Dino roar! That's the first package. I think I know what it is. I was correct. It's a Noco Genius 1. I don't know if 1 is enough though. I was reading a bit more about it. It's this battery charger and maintainer. This one is not so expensive. It was 40 bucks. More packages. What a weird weather. One moment there's no wind and sunshine, and the next moment it's very hard winds. So something didn't go well here. It's now on 0. Okay, just to be sure that it actually did nothing. Okay, so the meter on the charger is broken. Choke. Maybe we should get it in the car. That's not good. Also, I ripped my vest thing here on the schist that is sticking out. All my vests are now forced up. The other one is even worse, the blue one. It's from when I got on the roof at Maria's. The whole back ripped open. But I ordered a new one, a special one. Hopefully it'll be here soon. So João was here the other day, a real João, the guy whose father has a scrapyard. And I said, the car is not getting gas. And he said, oh, fuel pump. So as soon as you turn the ignition on, you should be able to hear the fuel pump. João deals with a lot of old cars. And he said it's been standing there for a while, so probably could very well be the fuel pump. And you should hear it kick on when you put the key in on ignition. And we don't hear anything. So I think there's a good chance that that thing is not working correct anymore. So this thing actually still does work, but it doesn't, like, the reading you take from it is not very Not accurate at all. It said 0. And we actually could turn over the engine. I wanted to say start the car, but that's not the case. Maybe this. Okay, that's a bit better. I think I know what it is. Just asked for a coffee. Soda breaker. I really should do more research before I buy stuff. I bought a 30 amp, 32 amp breaker for the solar. So I don't really know how to calculate this for DC. Because if I take the total wattage, what is 2750 watts from the solar panels, and I think the solar panels are 48 volts. So if I divide 2700 by 48, I get like 60 amps or something. But if I look here in the app, so today at 4 o'clock it got almost 1000 watts and the current was 5.1 amps. So that would mean that I would not go above 15 amps, because 15 amps is already 3000 watts and the solar panels are only 2750. What a weird weather, guys. Look at this. Beautiful, but there it's raining and sun. There it's blue. So my 32 amps should be more than sufficient for now. Still not sure how to calculate this now. Yeah, we still didn't go to Maria to hook back up the Adega to the electricity. But in this case that's good now. It didn't connect by itself, and Maria also didn't do it, I think. And I want to get electricity to the garage. Not gonna work with a handbrake on. If it's gonna work at all. The freak is going on? Wise asses. So that's not good. It's because the tires are like set in their ways. Maybe there's something wrong with the brakes. What the freak is going on? Also with Fofinho. Fofinho! There was no rain predicted anymore. I was promised like at least a dry week. Crazy weather. Aquí there. The sun. Oh. Stop. Uh-oh. Careful. Crazy Zoe. Ooh. Nice. Nice. Come on, girls. Oh. You want to do the full round? I hope we stay somewhat dry then. Well, it is still here, technically. Stuck. What's all this stuff doing on my bridge? Go away. Akira's making a foundation for the next bridge. Foundation? Foundation? Where's that Zoe? And she's gone. Ah! One very wet dog, huh? I don't see nothing yet. It's a schist wall, so it can be quite thick. I think I heard something falling on the other side. Oh, you probably can't see it, but it's there. Ah. What are you still doing outside, sweetie? Yeah. Wet, 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 wet. Wet, 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 wet. Okay, and this one now also stopped again. Wow. Okay, I got a couple of longer ones, maybe 2 meters. And actually only one that's maybe long enough to go directly into the garage. Maybe. Now it's already very, very dark in here. Of course, I should have gotten the drill out first. What? That was easy. I actually ordered like a cool work light like a week ago. It works with DeWalt batteries that we have a lot of, but it still isn't here. Okay, maybe we'll even make it directly down for a switch. Yeah. Cool. Cool.